All right, guys, today is the final day. This is the crossing back to Miami video. So it's a little bit windy today, not as bad I think as it is, but you can't trust the forecast these days. The forecast says something way different than what we got on the way over here. So hopefully it's actually accurate this time and it's not that bad. We got Chasing Reef over here taking off at the same time as me. We got Raidel and his 23C hunt. We got Alejandro over here getting ready too. And God willing, it's a nice safe trip back. Let's see what today has in store. There's a couple storms around. It's not the cleanest of days, but we got to make it back home no matter what. So here we go, guys. Bye-bye, Bimini. All right, guys. Right at the exit of Bimini. We're stopped here because there's a little bit of a rainstorm. Radar says it's going to pass in about 5 minutes, so we're going to let it pass before we head out. And as I'm saying that, it's starting to get soft. It's slowing down. Alrighty, guys, starting to clear up. The sun's coming out. We said a quick prayer and we ended up taking off for Miami. The one good thing after rainstorms is that the ocean gets nice and flat, as you guys see here, after they pass. So that's the only good thing about getting some rain out there. Alright, guys, so we dodged the rain. If you guys see that cloud right there, we were able to dodge all the rain, and now we're out here about 2 to 3 feet maybe, going 33 miles an hour, burning 1.6 miles per gallon, 1.7, and at this speed we should get to Miami in about an hour and 20 minutes. These sea hunts are made for this, guys. These are where these boats shine, right here. Big container ship is about to cross right in front of us. I slowed down a little bit to let him go ahead. There it goes, guys. From far, they look like they're not going that fast, but those things are moving. Great Eastern. All right, guys, a little bit of update after passing the container. We're about 35 miles of this kind of like not yet the halfway point, but almost getting to the halfway point, and here the waves changed a little bit. We're looking at more like roller types, but still, I'll take this any day, guys, any day. Way better than the wave over here, where we couldn't even go past 20 miles an hour. And we're cruising right now at 29 just to be comfortable, because I could push it up to maybe 33 if I wanted to, but there's really no need. And we always make sure we don't have to be right on top of each other, but at least in visual sight. So we got Chasing Reef over here, Raidel, and we got Alejandro. And right in front of me, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but I got Edwin. So yeah, guys, always stay in visual sight. All right, guys, another little update. All the boats are still in line of sight, but we're already 24 miles away, and I'm already seeing the shadows of the buildings of Miami. Weather hasn't really changed too much. About 2 with occasional 3s. I'll take this weather any day of the week, guys. Any day of the week. I'm about halfway buried. I'm not even all the way buried because I'm actually going with the waves, not against them. Going about 31 miles an hour, burning 1.8 miles per gallon. We're almost there, guys. I don't know about you guys, but damn, that boat looks good cutting in the water. I see Miami perfect over there already, guys. 16 miles to go. Look at this view, guys. A 27 Sea Hunt, a 30 Sea Hunt, and of course my 30 Sea Hunt. Charging into Miami, guys. This view is beautiful. Another little container ship coming right in front of us. I slowed down a little bit like that. We can make it by. I don't know if you guys can see Miami already. Only about 10 miles away. Right before entering Miami, the kids woke up from their nap and wanted to use the bathroom, so we stopped real quick, let them use the bathroom. I myself used the bathroom, and also we got some refreshments. I went ahead and took off the Bahamas flag, and we were ready to enter Miami. Alrighty, guys, we're officially back in America. Está lloviendo, eh? A little bit of rain here in Miami. This is where I say goodbye to Edwin. Now we're here in the bay. We're gonna go eat at Boater's Grill. This is where I ended up splitting from the group. A lot of them had a long ride back home, but me and my crew, we were pretty hungry since we skipped lunch to beat the rain coming out of Bimini. We ended up stopping there real quick before heading back to the ramp, because as you guys see, it does not look too pretty at the ramp right now. That's the Nixon sandbar right there. Alright guys, we made it here to Boater's Grill. Gotta give a big shout out to Ignacio. He's the one that showed me this place. We just made it back from Bimini. We didn't end up stopping there to eat, so we're stopping here in Miami. This baby just brought us all the way from Bimini with zero issues, man. Love this boat. This place here has a restaurant, has a little place there that they make drinks. There's another place at the end too that makes drinks. This place is awesome, and the food here is great, reasonably priced. I recommend anybody in the Miami area that wants to have a nice meal can come here. Boater's Grill. And just like that, guys, we left. How was dinner?
It was amazing. The trip was amazing. We met a lot of people. It was overall awesome. The weather was beautiful today.
It wasn't that beautiful,
well, beautiful compared to how we came.
But what she means is that the waves weren't that big.
Yeah.
That's just basically what she's saying.
That's what beautiful means to me.
Because it's not that nice today, but we got a very smooth crossing, so we can't really complain, guys. I'm gonna make it to the ramp. I might cut the video off right here, guys, because y'all don't want to see me loading up my boat and all that stuff. But just in case I do, I'm gonna say it here. You guys make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and the notification button. And the next video I got after this is gonna be big announcement, so you guys are gonna have to stay tuned. Here we go.